Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create job portal website in WordPress. So let's begin. Alright, to create the job portal website in the WordPress, first of all what we need to do, we need to go inside the appearance and click on the themes. Alright, so now in the themes, we actually have to install a new theme. So for that we're going to click on add new theme, and in here I will search for Zakra. I'm not sure if this is how we pronounce this. So this is already installed on our WordPress. So I only have to activate this. All right. And after this, what I have to do, I have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin. And here I have to search for Elementor. All right. So as you can see here, we have the Elementor website builder here, which is already installed. All I need is to activate this. Okay. But we're going to do this later. After this, we have to install second plugin, which is Everest Forms. Alright, so as you can see at the top of the search, we have the Everest Forms. Since it is already installed, so we're going to simply activate this. And after this, what we have to install? We have to install WooCommerce. And as you can see here, it is already installed. We're going to activate this all together. And after this, we have to install one more plugin, which is Theme Grill Demo Importer. Okay, so you can see here, it is already installed. We're going to activate this now. Okay, so now what we can do, we can simply go back into our install plugins, and in here we have to activate the 4 plugins that we talked about right now. Okay, the first one is the Elementor, then we have the Everest Form. All right, then we have the Theme Grill Demo Importer, and after this we have the WooCommerce. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply click on bulk actions, and in here I will select the value activate and click on apply. All right, so we have installed and activated all of those 4 plugins. So the first one was the Elementor, then we had the Everest Forms, then we had Theme Grill Demo Importer, then the WooCommerce. Okay, and after this what you have to do is pretty simple. We just have to go into the appearance and we have to click on Zakra here. Okay, and in here we have to go inside starter templates, and inside the starter templates what we have to do, we have to search for job portal. All right, and you will be able to see different templates here. So 2 of these templates are actually the part of pro version, but 2 of them are actually free to use. And you can also see the other templates as well for the different use case. So if you have the agency, you can simply use this one. If you have to do some charity, then for that you can build up this website. Then you have the website for the travel, then we have it for the law firms, and you can see the multiple different options. But some of them are actually the part of pro version, but other ones are actually free to use. Okay, so right now we're gonna go back to our job portal because that is what we're gonna build here. And in here I'm gonna simply click on import on our job portal. Okay, so you can see here that we are having these different points here. So if you want to read them out, you can simply read them. So these are the kind of things that we need to know before importing the stuff. But I'm going to simply click on continue, and it will take its time to import the job portal template on our WordPress website. And after that we will be good to go. Okay, we don't have to do anything on our website. Alright, so we have successfully imported our job portal template. So now we're going to simply click on live preview. And one thing that you have to remember is that whenever you're trying to import the template here, sometimes we have the failed imports. So what you need to do in that case, you just have to do that again. Okay, now we're going to simply click on live preview, and now you'll be able to see our job portal website in the WordPress. Okay, and you can see this, it has everything. So we have our hero section, and after that we have the categories, and after that we have the top or the featured jobs. You can go into and view details, and after this you have the job list here, and you can see this, we have these different sections on our website. Okay, so if I go back to the top and if I just click on the jobs, you will be able to see browse job section, which has these different kind of the listings in our job. And then you can have the my account as well. Obviously you will need to edit it as per your requirement, but this is how you can use it. So we also have the blog here, so you can see this, these are our blogs here. So we have the web development specialist, we have debit and the credit analysis, and then we have the data analyst. Okay, So these are the options that we have. We also have the about us section. Okay, so this is how the about us section is looking. And if you want to edit any of these page that we have on our job portal, what you can do, you can simply jump into edit with Elementor, and here you can simply edit the section here. And if you want to add the new things into this, you can simply add the new details into it if you want to, or the custom details if you want to. But if you want to change the design of it, if that is matching the branding of your company or anything, so let's say that uh, on this page that you can see that our background image is a dark image. Okay, and on our options here that you can see at the top, our menu options are actually in the grayish color. So this is not looking really great here. Okay, so what we can do, we can simply click on the section here. Okay, so I'm going to click on the first section, and I can go inside the style. All right, I can go into the background overlay. So I will need to see if we do have the overlay or not. All right, so I can increase the value here, or I can decrease the value here. Okay, and also I can edit this if I wanted to. Okay, so right now what I want to do here, I'm gonna change the opacity here. Actually, I'm gonna go with the dark. I'm gonna increase the opacity here, but I'm gonna change the color of it. So this is going to be a kind of light color. Okay, so I can go here with the red color, I can go here with the blue color, but I think the white one or the grayish one is looking great because that is making our text look visible here. Okay, at the moment. And similarly, I will need to adjust the heading here. So this is going to be in the black color, so I will need to change the text color. This is the black color. Same goes here in the paragraph, so we're going to change this into the black color. So this is how we can edit the page in the job portal. So right now I'm going to simply publish this. Okay, and this will make our menu section visible, more visible. So in the same way, we can make the changes on our FAQ, on our homepage and the jobs. So I can simply change the text here, I can change the image here, I can change the heading here, I can change the color of the button here, or the text on the button. Same goes for this sections. I can change the value here, I can change the user feedback here if I wanted to go with my custom values here or with my users. Then we have this option for the app here, so I can change this. If I don't have any app, then we have the associated company. So basically you can customize the whole job portal website that we simply imported with the help of Zakra. Okay, but right now I won't be doing any change into this, so I'm going to simply click on publish, and we're going to go back to our website. So I'm going to simply remove this, and now you will be able to see our job portal website. Obviously I made changes on the blog page, I guess, if I'm not wrong, or it was on the about us page. So now you can see here our menu items are more visible in the about us. Basically we can do the same styling on our other pages. Okay, but this is how we can create the job portal website in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.